In this video, we listed the 5 best AV receiver under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Marantz SR6014 AV Receiver. The Marantz SR6014 is a premium 9.2-channel discrete power amplifier designed for an exquisite surround sound experience, featuring Bluetooth and HDMI connectivity along with compatibility for the latest audio formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. This receiver not only enhances audio with powerful 110W per channel output but also supports advanced high-definition video processing, including 4K Ultra HD with HDR compatibility and full-rate pass-through. Its versatile HDMI EARC connectivity includes 8 HDCP 2.3 compliant inputs and multiple outputs for seamless connections. The SR6014 also integrates easily with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing users to control music and settings hands-free. With the ability to stream music and videos from various services through Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, or the HEOS app, it offers a comprehensive multi-room audio experience and an intuitive setup process guided by a user-friendly graphical interface. Number 2. Denon AVR S960H Receiver. The Denon AVR S960H is a high-performance audio-video receiver designed for home theater enthusiasts, offering an impressive 7.2-channel surround sound configuration enriched with advanced technologies such as Dolby Atmos height virtualization and DTS Virtual X for immersive 3D audio experiences. It boasts extensive connectivity options, featuring 8 HDMI ports and support for cutting-edge video standards like 8K, 60Hz and 4K, 120Hz, making it an excellent choice for modern 4K televisions and next-gen gaming consoles. This receiver also prioritizes video quality with improvements like dynamic HDR and HDR10+, ensuring clear, vibrant images, while quick media switching minimizes video delay. For music lovers, the device supports multi-room audio streaming through HEOS, along with compatibility with popular services like Tidal, Spotify, and Pandora, allowing users to enjoy high-fidelity sound throughout their homes via Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, or Bluetooth. Additionally, it offers full voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, enhancing convenience and integration into existing home automation systems. Overall, the Denon AVR S960H is engineered to meet the highest demands for audio and video performance in a home theater setup. Number 3. Denon AVR X2700H Receiver. The Denon AVR X2700H is a cutting-edge home theater receiver that delivers an unparalleled audio-visual experience. It features advanced connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and is compatible with various devices such as televisions and speakers. The receiver supports the latest audio technology with capabilities like Dolby Atmos height virtualization and DTS Virtual X, creating immersive 3D sound. It is designed for high-quality video processing, boasting 8K, 60Hz and 4K, 120Hz pass-through, along with dynamic HDR and HDR10+ for stunning visuals. With 7 HDMI ports and a versatile connector setup, it accommodates multiple high-definition devices, ensuring incredible stereo sound. Additionally, the AVR X2700H supports multi-room audio via HEOS technology and allows for voice control through Alexa, Siri, and other major voice assistants, making it easy to control your entertainment system seamlessly within a modern smart home setup. Number 4. Denon AVR X3600H Receiver. The Denon AVR X3600H is a powerful 9-channel amplifier designed for advanced home cinema experiences, delivering 105 watts per channel along with comprehensive support for modern connectivity options such as Bluetooth, USB, and HDMI, including 11 HDMI ports with EARC. It boasts cutting-edge video capabilities with 4K upscaling, Dolby Vision, HDR10, and a range of audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, enabling users to establish immersive surround sound configurations. The receiver is IMAX Enhanced certified for superior cinematic quality, while its award-winning on-screen quick setup guide simplifies installation and optimization. The AVR X3600H also supports home automation integration with systems like Control4 and Creston, and features Amazon Alexa voice control, allowing for convenient hands-free operation. Overall, this model combines high-performance audio and video features with user-friendly technology, making it an excellent choice for home entertainment enthusiasts. Number 5. Marantz NA1711 Receiver. The Marantz 7-channel amplifier is a powerful yet compact audio solution designed to enhance home entertainment systems with its slim 4-inch profile. Delivering 50 W across all channels, it features cutting-edge connectivity options including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, with 6 inputs, and USB, facilitating seamless integration with various devices such as TVs and speakers. The amplifier boasts advanced technologies like 8K HDMI upscaling and immersive surround sound support, Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, ensuring an exceptional cinematic and gaming experience without the need for additional speakers. With built-in HEOS wireless multiroom technology, it allows users to enjoy synchronized or diverse audio playback throughout their homes. The device also supports streaming from popular music services via multiple connectivity methods, including voice command compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Additionally, its user-friendly setup assistant and advanced graphical interface make installation and configuration straightforward for all users.